The old way of actually inspecting tanks and getting a residual strength was to cut a hole in the side of the tank, do a repair on the tank, take that section away and do some destructive testing, which gave you some good results, but it's not repeatable, really. You can't go around cutting holes inside of tanks every year or every 2 years. What's happened is with the UTComp system, we can inspect tanks which are beyond their design life, and especially in the water industry, where an awful lot of tanks are put inside buildings for aesthetic reasons because they're out in the countryside. They're difficult to get out and replace. So us being able to extend the life of these tanks and prove it to the HSE that these tanks are still fit for service has been a bit of a game changer for the water industry, really. The main difference with UTComp inspections is not having to get inside a tank. And you can find a general condition of the corrosion barrier, which is really handy to know. If you do the inspection, you find everything's fine, then we don't have to get inside the tank. There's no confined space. There's no emptying a tank. They can still be in operation while you're doing the inspection, which is very, very handy for clients. And then if you come back and say there is damage with the corrosion barrier, that can then be planned in for them to get the tank emptied, cleaned, and get back in to have a look to see what's happening without it just being a surprise that you start getting leaks some point in the future.